Hello and welcome all on my YouTube channel JNS Basic Zoology. So this is our second video related to the Plasmodium vivax, which is a malaria parasite. So by this video we will again try to solve some multiple choice questions of malaria parasite. So let's start by the first multiple choice question for today's video. Pre-patient period is, so which period in case of malaria parasite is called as pre-patient period? So A, time required by sporozoite to become cryptomerozoite. B, time required to complete one liver cycle. C, 10 days, and D, all of these. So the pre-patient period is the duration between sporozoite infection and first appearance of parasites in blood. So this is a particular period which is a period between the sporozoites, which is the infective stage of the malaria parasites, enter into the body, due to which the healthy person get the infection. From that period up to the appearance of first parasite in the blood is the pre-patient period. So in this case, the A option is correct. Time required by sporozoite, which is an infective stage of the malaria, to become cryptomerozoite. That is, this cryptomerozoites is first appearance of parasite in blood. Next one, in the life history of Plasmodium, exflagellation occur in. Exflagellation is one of the stage in the life history of the Plasmodium where the finger-like projections are formed, and this exflagellation, from this exflagellation or this exflagella, from this flagella, microgamete formation takes place. Where this can be occur? So the option A, liver of man, B, RBC of man, C, stomach wall of mosquito, and D, blood of mosquito. So the exflagellation stage occurs in the stomach wall of mosquito. The erythrocytic phase of Plasmodium is completed in. So the formation for the completion of the erythrocytic phase, RBC phase, Plasmodium take how many hours? That is A, 24 hours, B, 36 hours, C, 48 hours, and D, 72 hours. So the completion of the erythrocytic phase, Plasmodium can take about 48 hours. Next one, in the life history of Plasmodium, amoeboid stage is found in. They are having number of stages in the life history or life cycle of the Plasmodium. In that, there is one of the active stage, irregular stage, which is called as amoeboid stage. Where this amoeboid stage is found? A, inside gut of mosquito, B, inside liver cells of man, C, stomach wall of mosquito, and D, in RBC of man. So this amoeboid stage, which is one of the stage which is found in the erythrocytic phase of the Plasmodium life cycle, and this is a stage which is found in RBC of man. So the amoeboid stage which is found in case of Plasmodium in RBC of man. During the entry of the Plasmodium into the RBCs, that particular stage is called as micrometa cryptomerozoites. That is, Plasmodium can enter into the RBC of the human being by micrometa cryptomerozoites. Then this micrometa cryptomerozoites then converted into next stage, that is called as trophozoite. And this trophozoite stage then converted or lead into cygnet ring stage, and then this ring stage then followed by the amoeboid stage. So the amoeboid stage is found in RBC of man. Next one, in the life cycle of Plasmodium, after number of erythrocytic cycle, some merozoites invading fresh RBCs to grow A. Micrometacryptomerozoites, B. Schizozoites, C. Gametocytes, and D. Signet ring stage. So, in case of Plasmodium life cycle, this erythrocytic cycles is repeated many times, and at every time some merozoites at the end of this erythrocytic phase, some merozoites are formed, and out of all merozoites, some small merozoites then again start to bore or start to invade fresh RBCs. So, what is the purpose behind that invading of fresh RBCs? That is for the formation of gametocytes. Because in the erythrocytic cycle, when this type of merozoites enters into the RBCs, then they again repeat the cycle, and at the end of this RBC or erythrocytic cycle, the gametocytes are formed. Next one, the incubation period of Plasmodium is incubation period. Incubation period means a particular type of period which is called as a period between infection and appearance of first malaria symptom. Period between infection and appearance of first malaria symptom, that particular period is called as incubation period. So, in case of Plasmodium, the incubation period is about 48 hours. Next one, malaria parasite is A. monogenetic, B. digenetic, C. both, and D. none of these. So, the malaria parasite can require two genes or two hosts to complete their life cycle. So, malaria parasite is a digenetic. In that, one of the hosts is the human being itself, and second one host for this parasite is the Anopheles mosquito. So, they can require two animals or two hosts or two genes to complete their life cycle. So, the malaria parasite is digenetic parasite. Next one, Plasmodium is a parasite of human blood. Plasmodium is a human blood parasite. Next one, asexual reproduction of malaria parasite is occurs in. Malaria parasite can follow asexual and sexual reproduction. So, this parasite can complete their asexual reproduction in one host and sexual reproduction in another host. So, asexual reproduction of malaria parasites occurs in which animal? A. in man, B. in mosquito, C. in both man and mosquito, and D. none of these. So, asexual reproduction of malaria parasites can take place in man, which is also called as multiplication stage or multiplication reproduction. Pre-patient period in malaria infection is pre-patient period in malaria infection, which is already discussed, that is interval between inoculation and fever. Pre-patient period is an interval period between inoculation and fever. Next one, an intracellular parasite is which one of the following is the intracellular parasite? A. Entamoeba, B. Ascaris, C. Trypanosoma, and D. Plasmodium, which is the intracellular parasite. So, Entamoeba is an intracellular parasite. Entamoeba is an intracellular parasite. Next one, erythrocytic cycle of Plasmodium vivax completed in 48 hours. This is again very simple multiple choice question, that is erythrocytic cycle of Plasmodium vivax can be completed in 48 hours. Active feeding stage of Plasmodium is, so there are having number of stages. Out of that, which is the active and feeding stage of Plasmodium? A. Trophozoite, B. Sporozoite, C. Merozoite, and D. Metacryptozoite. So, trophozoite is the active feeding stage of Plasmodium, which is also an infective stage of the Plasmodium. Next one, sexual phase of Plasmodium completed in. sexual cycle of Plasmodium completed in which organism? A. Gut of mosquito. B. Salivary gland of mosquito. C. Blood of man. And D. Body cavity of mosquito. So, sexual phase of the Plasmodium completed in mosquito but in gut of mosquito. So, these are some important multiple choice questions related to the Plasmodium vivax. So, thank you once again for watching this video.